Finally got new batteries for both smart keys. I want to find out if there's a problem with the car's lock system. But before that, let's check out this amazing Mazda I had a glimpse of just a minute ago. There. Oh man, it's mine.
You crazy mother.
So when you press on the buttons of the smart key, you don't hear a toot toot or the unlocking sound. So I've been using the spare key for weeks now. These keys are gonna keep you from being relaxed and lazy. Yeah, you know. Just like that, keys falling down again like more than a dozen times already. That sound's also gonna keep you worried, thinking whether you broke a sensor or something. So with the standard keys, you hear the door unlock, but without the toot toot. So the smart key has this tiniest light that usually blinks once you're inside of the car. You can hardly see it, but the blink usually is triggered by those sensors all around the car. So when you try starting the car, the display on your dashboard says something like advanced key not found. But before it usually says something like low battery. Maybe it would be better if they said it like just get a new pair of batteries, you lazy piece of. It's been a while figuring out how to open up this thing, without damaging it. But anyway, let's start off by taking off that spare key found at the back. Just unlock that lock so you can then pull your key out. So this key fob, or smart key, whatever you want to call it, it's not like your typical TV remote controller when you just light up the back and the battery comes out. The trick is that these two corners are clipped on to the main frame of your smart key. So all you have to do is to push it outwards, one side at a time. So just gently push one side first. Try to separate it just a bit from the main frame. So I used a plastic card. Try to open it up further, just halfway down. Just try to loosen it a bit. Now we can work on the other side. Just do the same steps. Guys, sorry for the lazy crappy video. But then again, no one cares. So there's another battery cover inside to keep moisture from coming in. Just can easily take that off. You can now slide out that old battery. So the battery brand really doesn't matter. I just get hold of the first thing I see at the store. So what's important is the code CR2025. I guess it's the size type of the battery. You might forget the battery code at the time needed, so I suggest that you subscribe to my channel. Huh? So you can easily get back to the video anytime. I think it's a good thing to leave a piece on your glove box, just in case. Time to put things back together. Now we're done. So let's see if it works. Yep, so it blinks. Of course, for the finale. Alright, magnifico! Now it's time to see how smart a smart key can get. But just to make sure, I'll have one window down just in case the keys get locked inside the car. So I've always been wondering, like if I were holding some groceries and I usually go straight up to the trunk and I'd be clumsy as usual, leaving the key inside. So what happens then? Will it be locked? What's gonna happen is you're gonna hear that toot toot and still you can open up the trunk. So when you're on a rush, this happens in most times. The key fell off your pocket and left on your seat. So you won't be able to lock the door. Now I try it somewhere nearer. Same. Can't get open it. So it's only when your keys are out is when you can lock and unlock your doors. So there's not a huge distance between your keys and the sensors, whether you're in or out, but it surely does its job. That's how smart it is. So thanks for watching.